Are you worried about running out of money in retirement? You're not alone. For most people, that's the number one fear. And honestly, it should be taken seriously. Hi, I'm David Wolf, and I help people turn their retirement savings into reliable income they can count on. Today, I want to explain how annuities work and why they might be worth a closer look. At its core, an annuity is designed to do one thing really well: provide income you can't outlive. That means no matter how long you live, you can continue receiving payments, just like a pension. Another big benefit is protection. Certain annuities can protect your principal from market losses, so when the market drops, your income doesn't have to. You also get tax-deferred growth, which means your money can grow without being taxed until you start taking income. And maybe most importantly, peace of mind. Knowing that a portion of your income is guaranteed can take a lot of pressure off your retirement plan. Now, annuities aren't perfect for everyone. They can have small fees, and some annuities limit your access to money for a period of time. But for the right person, they can be a powerful tool for creating stability and confidence in retirement. We have a free guide called The Retirement Income Blueprint. It shows how annuities can help you create guaranteed income for life. Bottom line, we offer a free consultation through IncomeShieldRetirement.com. If you'd like to see whether an annuity makes sense for your situation, I offer a free retirement income review. I'll show you how much income you could generate, what risks you may be exposed to, and whether an annuity fits your plan. Just click the link below or complete the form below, and I'll call you to schedule a time that works for you. In just 12 to 15 minutes, we can decide if it's a fix for your retirement. Retirement isn't about guessing, it's about having a plan.